Welcome to Dreams Insight, where the mysteries of the subconscious meet the world of the awake. I'm your host, Lukman Zaman, and I'm here to guide you through the hidden realms of your dreams. Dreams are the language of our deepest selves, whispering secrets, desires, and fears. But what do they really mean? Join me as we embark on a journey to unravel the symbolism, metaphors, and hidden messages within your dreams. From the bizarre to the profound, we'll explore it all. So, share your dreams with me, and together, let's uncover the mysteries of your subconscious. Today in this video, we give you meets in dream interpretation, so stay with us and subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Don't ignore the dream of meat. Meat dream interpretation is this. 1. Cooked meat indicates wealth. All types of raw meat indicate diseases. Therefore, buying raw meat from a butcher is a sign of misfortune. 2. Fresh meat also indicates death and disappearance. 3. Eating the flesh of a person in a dream is evidence of backbiting him in reality. 4. Eating one's own flesh is a sign of eating one's own earnings. Eating the flesh of another woman is evidence of competing with her. 1. Eating the flesh of a woman's own flesh is a sign of adultery. 7. Eating the yellow flesh of a thin cow is evidence of illness. 8. Snake meat indicates receiving wealth from an enemy. 9. Eating raw snake meat is evidence of backbiting an enemy. 10. The meat of wild animals is a sign of wealth received from the king. 11. And the same interpretation is given to the meat of meat-eating birds. 12. The meat of pigs indicates forbidden wealth, and the meat of cooked animals indicates backbiting of the poor. 13. Eating the meat of a lean animal is a sign of suffering losses. 14. The meat of camels, seen without being touched, indicates wealth received from your enemy, and touching such a person while looking at it is an indication of sorrow towards such a person. 15. Eating cooked meat indicates wealth received from a man and recovery from illness. 16. Some interpreters say that eating camel meat is an indication of wealth received from the king and hardship. 17. Beef is a sign of fatigue and lack of action. 18. Someone dreamed that the skin of a sheep had come off in his house and there was meat in pieces. It is a sign that one will meet these people and invite them or take advantage of his brother. 1. The meat of a sheep whose skin has been peeled off is a sign of a sudden misfortune, and if the meat is fat, it is a sign of receiving property as an inheritance from a deceased person.